I work with BetterLine as a sales engineer, where I'm involved in design of solar, mainly power systems, irrigation systems, and borehole systems. BetterLine mainly deals with water, that is water purification, borehole drilling, water pumps. We do irrigation, we do swimming pools, and we also do power backups. Anything solar and water, that's what we mainly do. We have been in this business since 2013. Since 2013, we have been in existence, but now the staff that are there have been doing it even long before 2013. Our products are quite affordable. We are able to negotiate and agree with our customers so that they are able to, sometimes in some cases, to pay for the product in installments. And where they are capable, we also advise them to pay so that the cost can be cheaper. People are really excited about our products. Others even recommend us to others, because the main methodology that we have used to grow is to ensure that we put a smile on our customers, and it is these customers that refer us to the next customer, and this customer refers to the next customer, and we have been able to grow by improving customer service. That's something that our competitors have not been able to do to our level. KCIC has been instrumental in our business growth, because they create and inform us of the opportunities that are there for us to link with the market, and also ensure that we take part in ensuring that Kenya is a good place to live, is habitable, by mitigating the factors that cause climate change. Some of the challenges is a situation whereby customers need these products, but they are not in a position to raise enough funds to acquire the products. So we have been able to approach some NGOs like AMREF and USAID and some other NGOs that help communities acquire these products even when they are not able to raise enough funds for the same product. I highly thank KCIC for the support they have given to us. They have really helped in exposing us to the country, to the outside world even, and to make sure that we achieve the goals that we had, not only in 2022, but even in the years to come. I highly appreciate you for reaching out whenever and being available whenever we needed your services, and we are really grateful for you. And we are looking forward to a stronger partnership and a relationship with you in the near future.